for me, but for God. One way. For God. If you can see with him, you don't need to see that.
Yes. Yes. La Balata. Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Congrats. Congrats.
Yes. No fita. No fita. I won. I won. Yes.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Scott Mapuma celebrates buying a new house and a car worth 4 million rands, and siyambona ujabule ngendlela lesimanga guys, and nebantu bamjabulele bayasho ukuthi man, congratulations. So utithola trend ake akulama viki lesindlula kuwo Scott Maphuma ngalisikani bantu bathi nje nabayamkhansela afok nje indzaba yakhe because une attitude, and every time mabamkhuda ngayo uvele njena abe ne-ego lenye labangayedi ukuthi buyaphi, basho nje ukuthi cha siyaphuma nje kulo mfana lona because yena uthi ula khona because of himself and not because of us ma-fans akhe. Uthi yena angeke thina simforce ukuthi athathe ama-pictures naye. So people were saying ukuthi cha, it's fine if athena ufuna space asimnikeni space. So people started giving him moments of silence while he was performing. Agcina babuta ukuthi kahlahle kwende njani guys, why nithulile bangayingeni bantu indzaba yakhe, until agcina decide ukuthi aqolise kuma-fans akhe, washo ma-reasons akhe ukuthi cha guys ngibe wrong. Okay, bantu baqala ke bamqolela makazathenda ama-events, bantu sebayajayiva sebayamnaka. Lokhu kuyakhombisa kahle ukuthi umuntu ngebantu, akekho nje umuntu lamhlabeni lathi yena ngaphila yiwana kamdzingi lomnye umuntu. We all need each other, siyadzingana nje sonke. So you can't say ukuthi wena ula ukhona because of yourself. Boy uxolela abantu mangabe abantu banga-attendi lama-gig akho. Buyubhukhwa ngibani if ngabe abantu bebathi mabakubhukha ama-manager kubhukha bantu bangedi, buyubhukhwa ngibani? So this shows ukuthi guys umuntu angibantu. So uthenga imoto nema-fans akhe amjabulele ngendlela lesimanga, bayasho nje ukuthi congratulations. Uyayibona nawe lenzawo ukuthi indzawo le-serious, it's a very beautiful place. Akusindzawo nje lesemakhaya, it's a very nice place. Kahle kahle yabona bomakhelwane ama-light ayakhanya, uyabona nje ukuthi utohlalela kamnanzi la uScott ma-attitude. So bantu bayasho nje ukuthi halala, congratulate Shame mfana omncane lokhulele kasi. My dreams guys, they do come true, and not even the sky is the limit. So please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. So goodbye.